Hi, I'm Michael Erb, and today I'm going to read to you some pages from my book, A Colorful Introduction to Birds. It has activities, coloring, and fun facts about wonderful birds. And if you'd like to color along while I'm reading, please visit my website, colorbird.org, and you can download some free pages to print and color. Ready to dive in? This book is your introduction to the world of birds. Think of it as a little interactive museum. Explore its hallways in whatever order you like. Read about fun and fantastic birds. Try out some activities. Give birds realistic colors or grab your favorites and let your imagination run wild. Now, put on your thinking caps, grab some art supplies, and fly to whatever page you like. Colors. A vibrant blue jay gobbles down peanuts. A tiny yellow warbler darts through willow trees. Pink flamingos dip their bills into the water, getting their rosy color from the food they eat. Even white pelicans and black ravens pop against the green, brown, and blue of their natural environments. The world of birds is full of color. What better place to start a coloring book? Why are birds so colorful? There are lots of reasons. For hummingbirds, glimmering throat feathers can attract mates and intimidate rivals. Red-winged blackbirds puff out their crimson shoulders and sing from cattails for the same reasons. Brown feathers help many birds camouflage, staying hidden from predators lurking nearby. For some birds, bright colors indicate health. A few birds take camouflage to more extreme measures, like putus and frogmouths, which stretch their bodies to resemble tree branches. Where does color come from? Lots of times, color comes from pigment. Pigment absorbs some wavelength of light and reflects others. The reflected light is what we see. Other times, color comes from the structure of the feathers themselves. This structural color can give feathers an iridescent shine, like the red and orange throat feathers of the Allen's hummingbird. Blue feathers always come from structure too. No birds have blue pigment. Painted buntings show off a dramatic range of colors: a blue head, green back, and red belly and wings. As you look through this book, think about colorful birds you've seen in real life. Are they showy or subtle? Do they camouflage or stand out? What colors and patterns have you seen? When you're ready, grab some art supplies and give these birds some wonderful color. Environments. No matter where you go, look around. Chances are a bird isn't far away. Blue jays and finches visit backyard feeders, grabbing seeds to gobble. Ducks paddle across scenic ponds, quacking and preening. Toucans glide through muggy tropical forests, their great beaks leading the way. Around 10,000 species of birds live on planet Earth today. Birds likely descended from a type of theropod dinosaur that lived millions of years ago. Since then, birds have diversified to live practically everywhere on Earth. The keel-billed toucan lives in the humid forests of Central America. Its great, colorful beak is named for the keel of a ship, which are often large and sturdy. This beak may be used to attract mates, but it also serves another purpose. In hot places, a large beak is good for getting rid of heat. It's a great way to be stylish while beating the heat. Puffins spend their lives at sea hunting for fish. Puffins may look like penguins, but they're not. Notably, puffins can fly, rapidly beating their little wings. Atlantic puffins live in the chilly North Atlantic Ocean and nest on islands. Remote islands are good for raising young, since few predators can reach the eggs here. In icy Antarctica, a colony of Gentoo penguins live near the water. Birds near the poles tend to be larger than most birds, an advantage which helps them retain heat. In the bitter depths of Antarctic winter, some penguins huddle together for warmth. Penguins can't fly, but their flipper-like wings make them great swimmers, darting through the water to catch fish and avoid seals. Gentoo penguins can swim at 22 miles per hour. Flight. A bald eagle soars far overhead. Turkey vultures use thermals of rising air to glide higher. Canada geese fly in a V formation to conserve energy. Who hasn't dreamt of flying? A bird's ability to fly is one of its most remarkable traits. It helps birds escape predators, hunt for food, migrate long distances, and find new territory. What birds are the most amazing flyers? It's a tough competition. Hummingbirds can hover and even fly backwards. Wandering albatross glide over the Southern Ocean on remarkably long wings. Common swifts can fly for months without ever landing. Great frigate birds may sleep in flight. Bar-headed geese can fly over the Himalayan mountains. Arctic terns migrate from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back every year. Peregrine falcons can dive at 200 miles per hour. Certainly, birds are masters of the air. Not every bird can fly, of course. Ostriches and emus run along the ground. Emperor penguins in Antarctica are great swimmers, reaching depths of over half a kilometer below the surface. How do birds fly? They have many adaptations. They use feathered wings to catch the air. Strong muscles located in their breasts provide power. Many birds have hollow bones, making their bones light but strong. Nerves in their wings can likely feel the winds and updrafts. Since their waste is concentrated, birds don't need to carry as much water, making them lighter. Birds also have strategies to help make flying easier. Some birds fly in V formations, where leading birds help provide lift to those behind. Others glide in thermals to gain altitude, using rising air to save energy. For migration, some birds seem to use prevailing winds to help determine their routes. And many birds, similar to planes, take off into the wind. For flight, feathers are a true wonder of nature. They are light but strong. Birds spend a lot of time preening to keep them in good condition. Some birds have special adaptations, like owls, whose feathers are extra quiet for hunting in silence. Be glad you're not a mouse when a barn owl sweeps silently overhead. Birds aren't the only animals that can fly, of course. Bats and bugs can fly too, but among flyers, birds are the undisputed champs. I hope you've enjoyed these pages from my book, A Colorful Introduction to Birds. It has 50 real species of birds to color, as well as fun activities like crosswords and word searches. It has lots of fun facts about real birds, and if you'd like to get some free pages, you can find them on my website, colorbird.org. Have a great day!